Well, good morning. It's Dr. Matt with your Wellness Connection series, and today I want to kick it off with a story. And that is that my wife and I were driving to work this morning, and we were commenting on how much we love this time of year. You see, it is April in Southwest Florida, and the weather is absolutely phenomenal. 60 at night, 80, 81 during the day, no humidity, and it is beautiful. Another month we love is November, and that's the year we got married. It's also very similar in terms of its climate here in our area of the country. Well, interestingly enough, these two seasons, April, May, October, November, are the worst time of year for allergies. And so what happens, you can get some postnasal drip, you can get sinus pressure, you can get increased neck tension, and it can wreak some havoc on you. But thanks to you watching this video, you're going to understand this cycle, and you're going to be able to do some proactive things to help you function better during these times of year. So this is beautiful nature outside. We got the lake behind us, beautiful landscaping, flowers, grass is turning green, and so that results in a high pollen content. So one thing that is good to do during this time of year, consult with your doctor and your pharmacist, but it is good to take perhaps an allergy medication or some anti-inflammatory medication if you feel some of these symptoms of neck tension, sinus drainage. But yes, do consult with your medical doctor or your pharmacist as what would be appropriate for you. So another thing that's good to do is you want to stretch your neck frequently. And again, when you have sinus pressure from allergies, you get neck tension. So it's good to stretch the side of your neck, the back of your neck, and the front of your neck. And do this, a couple times a day, especially when you first get up in the morning and you're stiff. Do it when you take a shower or midday when you've been working on your computer for a while. Another thing that you want to do is breathe with your mouth closed. So kind of notice when you go in crowds and you see some people that are mouth breathers. Unfortunately, a lot of times mouth breathers, they don't look very healthy, maybe overweight, maybe older, maybe some other thing. But generally speaking, if you're not in as good a health, you'll be a mouth breather. So rather, what you want to do is you want to have good lip seal, your teeth are slightly separated, and you take a nice breath in through your nose. Your nose has hairs that naturally filter out pollen and also creates a little resistance in your respiratory system, which helps your breathing and your diaphragm to be more efficient. So try to make sure that you are breathing through your nose and not through your mouth. So yes, thanks for joining us, and be sure to visit our website. We have lots of good information on there, some free ebooks, lots of good videos. You can link over to our YouTube page, and be sure to share this with a friend. And remember, if you are having trouble with a lot of neck tension, yes, vertigo can happen during the high pollen season, be sure to give us a call, and we will be sure to help you. And last but not least, we are excited on our next Healthcare Connection video series. We are going to have an ENT expert, which is an ear, nose, and throat expert, healthcare professional, is going to be joining us to teach us a bit more about the head, neck, and jaw, the ear, nose, and throat, and what he has learned over the years to help us keep that system healthy. So we'll see you next time, and thanks for watching.